Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a simple steps to unhiding apps on your Android phone from easy access. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Go to security. Scroll down. Press on privacy and app encryption. Click on this. Enter your password. Here you can see the option of app hiding. Click on it. Now here you can unhide your apps. You just have to turn off the button. So this is the simple step to unhiding apps on your Android phone for easy access. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.